SureClose hydraulic gate hinge closers are powerful, self-closing devices for heavy-duty gates. This READYFIT 180 model offers 180-degree opening and closing and covers a wide range of gate gaps. This SureClose hinge set comes with two slightly different hinges. Be sure to put the double dimpled model at the top of the gate. These highly adjustable hinges provide horizontal and vertical adjustment for precise alignment of the hinge and gate. Note the vertical slots in each hinge. Self-drilling screws are provided with all hinges. While determining the correct vertical adjustment, chock and level the gate with wooden blocks if required. Secure the screws into place as required for correct alignment. Secure and install all the screws supplied for each hinge, noting that there are screws for the front face as well as for the side fixings legs. Take a torque wrench and tension all pivot screws as required to specification. Take the adjuster tool supplied and fine-tune the horizontal adjustment of both top and bottom hinges. Open the gate fully to observe its closing speed. Take the adjuster tool again and use it to make fine adjustments to closing speed and final snap close action. Fully open the gate again to observe closing speed. To secure horizontal adjustment, take the hex tool supplied and secure the small screw on each hinge barrel. Your SureClose READYFIT 180 hinge closers are now ready for use.